One of the things we do really well here at Salesforce is we inspire our customers by showing them compelling visions of the future, and then we help them get there.
Welcome to Salesforce Tower, Sydney.
The tower is all about community, connection, and creativity.
We're targeting LEED Platinum for our interior fit-out and ongoing operations. That will make this one of the most sustainable and healthy buildings in the region. It's pretty cool to say that we're occupying one of the tallest office buildings in Sydney. Just wait till you see the views.
We have a huge focus on collaboration. When we sit together, we work together, we learn together. We have open-air huddle rooms, cafe tables in the social lounge, and lounge seating throughout all the floors. But there's also space for focus time. Neurodiversity is a key design principle with quiet areas and focus pods on every floor.
This SIC is an entire floor dedicated to two of our core values, innovation and customer success. There are 3 incredible boardrooms, and they are packed with state-of-the-art technologies.
We've got our very own auditorium. I can already see us doing community calls, sales cafes, and amp it up training right here.
At Salesforce, we often say that business is a platform for change for good. And what kind of an amazing platform is this? I'm on the first of 3 Ohana Floors. Now, I'm not sure if you've heard of an Ohana Floor before, but it's tightly linked to our core value of equality. Traditionally, in these fancy buildings, these top floors would be very exclusive and difficult to access. But with equality, we really want everyone to access this. So we're really excited to bring local schools, not-for-profit and other community groups into this space to really activate this downtown Sydney community. And since we're here in Australia and there's a barista bar in an arvo after a prezzo, if you want to have a cuppa with your mates and a chinwag, you'd be very welcome.
So now you can bring your customers here to inspire them, whether they are in Canberra or Christchurch, whether they are in Melbourne or Manila, Sydney or Singapore. Bring them here to inspire them. Bring them here to show them the full power of Salesforce. Bring them here to unlock new and exciting opportunities together.
Well, here we are. It's been a long, long time coming, and we're so excited to call Salesforce Tower Sydney our new home.
We can't wait to welcome you here.